Hello there. Installing Centrify on Linux might sound daunting, but trust me, we've got this. I'll walk you through the basics, the steps, and all the quirky bits so you're ready to dive in. Don't worry, it's not rocket science. But hey, if you can install Centrify, who knows what else you can achieve. Let's make this fun and productive. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Let's start with Centrify itself. It's the ultimate Swiss Army knife for identity management. It secures your system, keeps your compliance on point, and ensures user authentication doesn't feel like rocket science. Imagine being the hero of your IT team while enjoying the ease of use. Let's dive into why Centrify rocks. Alright, before we unleash the magic, let's ensure your system is Centrify ready. From Linux versions to hardware specs, this is like making sure your car has enough fuel before a road trip. Don't worry, it's quick, easy, and totally worth checking twice to avoid the dreaded "it's not working" moment. A preparation is key, my friends. Think of this as preheating the oven before you bake, a small step that makes all the difference. Back up your configurations, update your packages, and double-check compatibility. It's like tidying up before a guest arrives. Your system will thank you. Let's grab that Centrify package. It's time to shop for your system's new best friend. Make sure you've picked the right version. This is like buying shoes that fit. Once downloaded, save it somewhere you won't lose it. We don't want any scavenger hunts later. Alright folks, now that we've installed Centrify, let's make sure it actually works. First, we'll verify it with system checks. Think of this as kicking the tires. Then we'll run test scenarios to confirm everything's functioning as expected. We also need to ensure it plays nicely with our existing infrastructure. And finally, we'll resolve any configuration mismatches. Because hey, who wants surprises later? Troubleshooting, everyone's favorite pastime, right? Common installation errors pop up now and then, but don't worry, we've got solutions. Connectivity issues can be annoying, but a few quick fixes usually do the trick. Authentication problems. No worries, we'll tackle those head-on. And for the real mystery cases, checking logs will give us those Sherlock Holmes-level insights. Software updates necessary but sometimes stressful. First, we check for the latest patches so we stay up to date. Then we schedule updates strategically to avoid disruptions. Think of it like planning a pit stop. Minimal downtime is the goal, so we'll make sure the process is smooth. And before hitting that deploy button, testing is crucial because nobody enjoys surprise system crashes. Managing user access is like being the gatekeeper of security. First up, role-based access. Only the right people get the right permissions. Multi-factor authentications. A little extra security never hurt anyone. We also keep an eye on user activity to spot any odd behavior. And lastly, if someone doesn't need certain privileges anymore, we revoke them. No need for unnecessary VIP passes. Security is like brushing your teeth. Do it regularly or you're asking for trouble. Strong passwords are a must. No password 123 nonsense. Keep configurations updated because outdated settings can be a hacker's dream. Encryption is our best friend. It ensures data stays safe. And periodic audits help us catch risks before they turn into disasters. Monitoring and auditing, because surprises in security are never fun. Real-time monitoring keeps us on top of things. Frequent log analysis helps uncover sneaky behavior. Suspicious activities. We jump on those quickly. And most importantly, we use what we learn to constantly improve security, because staying ahead is always better than catching up. We did it. We covered everything from installation to security best practices. Now let's recap the key takeaways. If you have any questions or thoughts, let's discuss. There are additional resources available for deeper exploration. And finally, thank you for sticking with me through this presentation. You've been fantastic. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.